let me tell you a short story about a boy who learned English right from his home. Jason was a 17-year-old boy living in a small town. His dream was simple, to speak English fluently. But there was a problem. He had no teacher to teach him and no money. There was no single person around him who spoke fluent English. He felt stuck, frustrated, and completely alone in his dream. One quiet evening, Jason sat under a mango tree behind his house and made a decision. If no one is going to teach me, he thought, I'll teach myself. From that day, he promised to learn English, no matter what it took. He didn't wait for the perfect resource or a classroom. He began with what he had: a pen, a notebook, and a big dream. He wrote down every word he didn't know, looked it up, and tried to use it. He even labeled everything in his room in English: door, table, shirt, mirror. He made a rule. At least 30 minutes a day, he would live in English. He'd think in English, talk to himself in English, and even describe simple things out loud. The sky is blue. The bird is singing. The food is hot. He downloaded free audio lessons and listened to beginner podcasts. At first, everything sounded strange, fast, and hard to understand. But he kept listening, kept repeating, and slowly, things started making sense. Today, Jason is fluent in English, all because he didn't give up. Now, why did I share Jason's story with you? I did because you might feel just like him. Maybe you want to learn English, but you don't have a teacher. You don't have money for a course, and there's no one around you who speaks the language fluently. But here's the truth. You can learn English at home, and I'm going to show you how, step by step. Step 1. Create an English environment. To learn English, you need to surround yourself with English, even if you're home alone. Label things in your house: fridge, mirror, plate, broom. Say these words out loud every time you touch or use them. Next, start thinking in English. When you wake up, don't say, "Oh, it's morning." Say, "Good morning. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed." This helps your brain start working in English, not just your mouth. Even 30 minutes of thinking in English a day will improve your fluency, more than hours of silent study. Step 2. Listen every day. Listening builds your vocabulary and pronunciation naturally. Find beginner podcasts, free English audio lessons, YouTube channels made for English learners. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. In the beginning, just listen. Get used to the rhythm, the sounds, the tone. After some time, you'll start recognizing, how are you? What's your name? Can I help you? Where are you going? Listen while you cook, walk, clean, or relax. Make English audio part of your daily life. Step 3. Speak out loud every day. Many people make the mistake of only listening or reading, but you have to practice speaking out loud. Imitate what you hear. Pause the podcast or video and repeat. Try to match the speed, the tone, the rhythm. If you make mistakes, that's okay. You're learning, and you'll make lots of them. Every time you speak, you become more confident. You can also talk to yourself in English. Yes, it might feel silly, but it works. Say things like, "I'm hungry. I'm going outside. I love this song." It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be spoken. Step 4. Build a daily routine. Learning English isn't about doing a lot once. It's about doing a little every day. Make a simple plan like this: 10 minutes of reading aloud, 15 minutes of listening to a podcast, 10 minutes of speaking to yourself, 5 new words a day from a dictionary or app. Stick to this. Be consistent. Even if it's just 30 minutes daily, it adds up over time. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Small steps every day bring big results. Step 5. Use the words you learn. Don't just write down words. Use them. If you learn the word delicious, try saying it when you eat. This food is delicious. If you learn tired, use it at the end of the day. I am tired. The more you use a word, the faster it becomes yours. Write short sentences. Try writing a daily diary in English, even if it's just 2 or 3 lines. Write, "Today was a sunny day. I went to the market. I bought rice and tomatoes. Simple, yes. Effective, absolutely. Step 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. You will make mistakes. It's part of learning. Jason made them too. So did I, so does every learner. But guess what? The people who become fluent are the ones who keep going. So don't worry about sounding perfect. Worry about practicing. The more you practice, the better you get. Step 7. Celebrate your progress. Sometimes we focus so much on what we don't know that we forget how far we've come. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, every time you understand a podcast, that's progress. Celebrate it. Keep a notebook and write. Today I learned 5 new words. I spoke in English for 10 minutes. You'll be amazed at how much you grow. So, if you're sitting at home, dreaming of learning English, know this. You don't need fancy classes. You don't need expensive books. What you need is consistency, curiosity, and a bit of courage. Use your phone. Use your voice. Use your day-to-day life. You have everything you need, right where you are. And I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Now go on, start speaking, start listening, and start living in English. You've got this. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. See you next time.